welcome to KCT. I am the one and only Witch Properstar, and today we are going to talk about this custom prop. It seems like a beautiful painting, but in reality, it's a magnet sequence puzzle. The players need to find the right order of placing the wand on the objects. In the beginning, we have an output, so I can take off the magnet. Instead of magnets, you can connect the output on lights, relays, or anything else you would like. Let's solve the puzzle.
Looking for the potion, huh? Well, too bad, cause you will never get it. It is guarded by a creature that breathes fire. Or was it buried under the tree on the moon? Oh, my memory is full of webs. Maybe if I drink something relaxing, it would help. But there's no time to waste. Let's see what the future may hold for us. Let me search my books for a spell. Move! I can't see anything. Give me some light. I see. We need something to store some energy for the crystal ball to work. Now lower the lights, please. We don't want to wake our poor friend that's resting on the ceiling.
You can modify the states of the output via software and change the sounds in the SD card so they can fit your escape room. You can also set another sequence for the objects. If you don't know how to do any of those, check out my software and hardware video where I cover everything about the software and the controllers. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us here. You can find on our site more custom builds, automations, mechanisms, and equipment for your escape rooms, or place your custom order. We have our base in Greece, but we ship worldwide. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more demonstration and tutorial videos, and I'll see you next time.